This is an Edison record player. This is from the days before the word phonograph was invented, I do believe. And this was loaned by Gary Bedea. It belonged to his grandparents. See that little cylinder thing turning there? That's the record. The needle is on this little thing. Isn't it lovely? And thanks to Gary, we have many records to play. Here's the record. This is one called War Talk at Pumpkin Center by Cal Stewart. A lot of these were talking. Wow. Thank you again, Gary, for the loan.